dumbbell pull through. So there's a lot of things going on with this exercise. We're starting in a push-up position or a plank position from your hands. You're taking a weight on one side, driving with the elbow. So I want you to initiate by pulling the elbow across and then following through and extending. So you're ending up in a T position with your arms away from each other. So your feet are rotating slightly as you lean. So essentially you're going from a push-up position into a side plank with weight, and then back into your push-up position again. So do them all on one side, and then switch hands.